do not forget to subscribe to channel. The 2024 Lotus Emira is the most recent model from the amazing English games vehicle producer and the last to utilize a gas-powered motor. Believe it or not, Lotus is planning for an all-electric future, as reviewed by the Evija hypercar. Be that as it may, prior to said goodbye to its gas-filled customs, the organization will get idealists one last gas-consuming model. As the replacement to the Evora GT, which is as of now the main Lotus sold in the US, the Emira is more useful, has a far more pleasant inside, and offers dynamic security hardware interestingly. While the Emira i4 will ultimately have a standard Super 4 with 360 drive, Lotus is just selling the form with a supercharged V6 siphoning out 400 horses at this moment. This sports vehicle likewise accompanies a 6-speed manual gearbox, and its exhibition is up there with Porsche's 718 Cayman, featuring an outlandish outside roused by the carbon-fiber-escalated Evija and utilizing a reinforced aluminum engineering acquired from the Evora GT. The Emira will connect Lotus's gas past with its electric future. The cost of the 2024 Lotus Emira begins at $77,100 and goes up to $102,250, relying upon the trim and options. Mounted in the 2024 Emira is a supercharged 3.5-liter V6. The V6 is a Toyota-obtained unit that is persisted from the active Evora GT. It matches with either a 6-speed force converter programmed or a 6-speed manual transmission. With the stick shift, Lotus says the 3.5-liter produces 400 ponies and 3 17-pound-feet of force. Not at all like most other present-day sports vehicles. The Emira does without electric power controlling for using pressurized water, helped arrangement that gives magnificent feel and input. During our underlying test drive, we lauded the Emira's fair taking care of and splendid guiding, and we wondered about its obligation to driver association. The Emira is immediately both more refined than the active Evora GT and comparably eccentric. The manual transmission's switch activity needs streamlining, and the brakes are grabby and hard to easily regulate. A turbocharged 4-chamber model will join the setup later. The four-banger is obtained from Mercedes-AMG and makes 360 strength. It will take care of the back tires through an 8-speed double-grip program transmission, the main gearbox choice. With a basic plan and seating for two, the Emira's inside is both moderate and close.